everyone. Today it's my birthday. I'm turning 40. It's a 40 years of grace that I'm celebrating this milestone I've achieved. I'm so happy, like so happy. The theme of today is to thank God. I did this because I wanted to thank God. It wasn't because I can or I have something, but just to thank God. To the people who came to my party, I would like to thank them, and I love them so much, and I wish them nothing but the best in their life to reach where I am as well. Many people didn't reach this age. That's why I'm glad today to celebrate this day. To my colleagues, my friends, my family, I love you so much for making this day a successful